Symbol is CSX I-166. The CSX I-166 originates from Schiller Park, Illinois, heads east to Montreal, Quebec, or terminates at the Hochelaga yard. Once the train crosses the International Rail Bridge, I think the train heads to Montreal, Quebec, or turns to CP 133, and then heads its way to Montreal, Quebec. On this Thursday, April 6, 2023, by Brendan the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it. All right, we got Buffalo and Pittsburgh crossing the bridge with only one engine. So I crossed the bridge on this side, but there's a train right there. Let's get the action. I mean, we got a train coming this side. What's up? Oh, wait, there's a train right here. No way. We got a CSX right on this side. No way. We got a CSX. We got a CSX. Okay, I'm out of here. I guess I-158 on his way though. Okay, there's the action on I-158. Look at that, we got a BFB and a CSX racing. There's CSX shooting up. When I was on this train, I saw like the end of the Buffalo and Pittsburgh right there. So now there's I-158. Got a truck, more salutes. Well, I'm not a fan of trucks, but it's fine. I just hate catching a train that's so slow because it might like end up wasting my storage, but hey, at least I would I haven't seen a single train coming, so at least in this goddamn wind, because it's fucking like doing this video. I don't even know what to say though. Hard when I have to record this video because apparently the train is running slow and I have to like waste my storage, but hey, at least I'm recording it right now. Alright, I'll just tell the symbols right now. So, symbol is CSX I-158. The CSX I-158 originates from North Baltimore, Ohio. heads east to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where our terminal at the Greenwich Yard. I just want the train to be short though, 'cause I don't want to waste my storage, and that's all. I just want the train to be short, in my opinion. I don't like long trains though, when they're slow. I like fast trains. I like when I like when the trains like fast, like the CSX I-166 in the first clip. But now it's running slow. It's pissing me so far. The truck's blocking my way, so never mind. And the truck is pissing me off, but can we see if we can get another train meet like we did earlier in the other video? Like the one time that we got a triple train meet one time. Like I remember the other video where we used to have a triple train meet. And that motherfucker almost ran me over. And this motherfucker almost ran me over. Almost ran me over, guys. You don't want to see me dead in this video, so at least I got this video as like possible, so this train is fucking gonna stop. And this train's gonna goddamn stop. This suck. Alright, I will give you the clip later. When it's moved, I'm gonna show you the train. So stay tuned in the video. So I will make sure I get the clip as fast as possible. Alright, now the train has officially started moving now, so now I'm ready to get the full action until this shitty ass train moves faster. 'Cause I hate when it goddamn moves slow. So therefore, the good news is I got the action, I got the BMP or something like that, but this train is moving slow. And I'm not sure if I can get a train beat, but we'll find out until I-158 ends. This is a long train though. A long ass train, in my opinion, because like apparently I never seen this train this long in my fucking life, but I'll find out because the train could almost ending. now it's bringing the full speed. That's all I want to see though. I want to see the train bringing the full speed because apparently I can't like standing there and missing an NS train or Buffalo Southern train or whatever it's called. But now it's bringing the full speed, so it's great news. So I can go back to the other lines. So far I can tell the train's about to end later on, but it's almost gonna end. I hope this train ends so I can go back to the other lane. Because the Buffalo and Pittsburgh tricked me for some reason. And now this shit's gonna stop. Like, this shit's gonna stop now. Yeah, I just want that shit to end right now, bro. I just can't record it. It's too cold. It's just too cold and windy as shit. Alright, so when that train stops again, I'm gonna run another clip. I'm not like wasting like storage. So I'm gonna end the video right now. It's just gonna stop again. On to the next clip. Alright, now the train is officially started moving now, so now I'm ready to get the full action until this shitty ass train moves faster, because I hate when a goddamn moves slow. So So therefore, the good news is I got the action, I got the BMP or something like that, but this train is moving slow. And I'm not sure if I can get a train beat, but we'll find out until I-158 ends. This is a long train though. A long ass train, in my opinion, because like apparently I never seen this train this long in my fucking life, but I'll find out because the train get almost ending. Now it's bringing the full speed. That's all I want to see though. I want to see the train bringing the full speed because apparently I can't like standing there and missing an NS train or a Buffalo Southern train or whatever it's called. But now it's bringing the full speed, so it's great news. So I can go back to the other lines. So far I can tell the train's about to end later on, but it's almost gonna end. I hope the train ends so I can go back to the other lane. The Buffalo Pittsburgh tricked me for some reason. And now this shit's gonna stop. Like, this shit's gonna stop now. I just want that shit to end right now, bro. I just can't record it. It's too cold. It's just too cold and windy as shit. Alright. So when that train stops again, I'm gonna run another clip. I'm not like wasting like storage. So I'm gonna end the video right now. Let's just stop again. Alright, now the train's finally moving, so I hope this shit ends because I can't stand this shit for so fucking long. And I hope that shit ends right now, bro. I just can't stand it. And this whole ass day is like pretty much freezing my fingers, whatever it's called, because apparently that train has always stopped me for like the dumbest reason, bro. Like I know there's a train yard, I know it's not the syndicate yard, but still, like, I have to pass by them. I'm not like sitting here like in this windy ass day to catch and stay for this I-158 to pass by. Coming from the CSX. Oh, there's the end. Oh, the end time. Look at it. You can see the end right here, right? You all can see the end. That's gonna be the end of the train. Let's hope that this train will end. I'm sick and tired of standing this shit up so damn long. But and then in that case, there's no train beat. I remember once there in the other video where like I caught like the good triple train meets, 5 trains that just passed by. But today, there's not today. There's no train meet. Whole ass fucking day, bro. It's killing my fingers after recording this shit so damn long. And once again, this shit is finally over. But we're not done with the video yet, so we're gonna catch one more train, then we're out of here. On to the next video. Roll it, please. Okay, I guess I am wrong. I need to get out of here because this cold is pissing me off, and like it's actually making my fingers frozen right now. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos. Peace, you guys. And see you in the next video.